Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will explain you one real-time problem that I faced and how I solved it. So I was using trim to trim the uh, space like leading space or trailing space from the email ID. But I found that there is some problem. They are not able to trim the white space or anything. White space able to do, but it is not able to trim any non-breaking space or any Unicode white space. Unicode white space, what it is and what is zero with the space. If there is tab also it will not able to do. So I will explain you very clearly and you will understand what why I'm telling you not to use trim. Okay. So the typical use cases in the real time we are getting data from the CRM and CRM data we are pulling it from API and we are getting the email address and we need to clean the email address and join it to the some other table. So while joining we cleaning the email address field such a way like if there is some same email address it should match. We will do the lower case of the email address or uppercase, anything you can do, and but you have to trim leading space or trailing space so that it should match, and then we will join it. Will join will success. Otherwise, if something is not matching, it will fail. Okay, so I was using the trim. So what happened is we received data that is having non-breaking space. If you see, this is Unicode data. This is zero with space. Okay, I and this is something directional marks. So there is tab. So if you use if you're pulling data from CRM, you will get this type of invisible character. Invisible. If you try to see this, you will not able to see, but data is but character is there because it is getting it from the some other system. And if you see like okay, there is some space, just remove it and then do the use the trim and do the lower space. If we are having jen@gmail.com, it will match, but it's not the case. Your trim will not able to remove this type of character. So that's why we have to use a regex pattern. Okay, so let me just show you how right now how we are getting the data. I have already inserted this field. I have already inserted this data here already. I will just do select star and I'm using Databricks. You can use Snowflake or it is in general concept, not like the Databricks only have the regex uh, pattern part. It is used by Snowflake and any other SQL engine as well. Okay, so before moving forward, I hope you know the trim. If not, that is simple. And also let me just okay, I already running it. So what happens is this is running the warehouse. So if you see here, I have inserted data in such a way. So we are having john at the gmail email.com, and then see tab is there, right? And then there's a tab, and then there is one new line. Okay, new line in here, and then Mike having leading space, you can see, and this is Sarah is having trailing space, and then this is mix, Tom having leading and this is mixed case like lowercase and uppercase, and then also leading and trailing space. And here we are having, but if you see the main things is I want to show you. If you see this type of character, it is not visible. See where it is. I have inserted Jan, but we are just getting Jan at the rate this one. So what you will see? You will see like okay, if some space is there, let's just remove the trim and use it. Okay, but trim will not able to remove it. I will show you. So now first of all I will just give one example of regex. So I will just explain you what the regex is. So regex replace is the function that will accept your string and use one pattern, and with with this pattern what you want to replace. Okay, so let's suppose that this is means what to replace, and this is with what it will be replaced. So this is my input string, so it will search where the su is. So su is there, and it will replace su with a. So let me just run it and show it to you. Okay, if you see, it was Sumit, but SU got replaced with A, and we are getting Amit. So similarly, we are having trim function as well. So if you use normal trim, so it will just trimming your uh, email address. Just let me just use it, run it, select trim, and I will just use this Sumit only. Okay, and but I'll put some space here. So it is able to remove space, correct? So in general, I just want to say like, if you having the data, so if you think, okay, this should be replaced by trim, just use the trim and clean it, so it won't work sometime. Okay, that's what I was trying to explain you. If you are getting some, so let's suppose that you are having this data, what you will think, you will just think like, okay, there is some space is there, just use the trim and then just do upper to lower everything. So if there is tom like this, uppercase and lowercase, both will be convert into the lower, and it will be match with the your other string, because there also you are using the lower only. But this can't, but trim will not able to, trim will not help you to remove the unicode character. Okay, so what in that case what you have to use, you have to use regex. So in the regex what we are using, regex replace, and we are passing our email address. And here if you see, there are combination of two part. This is the all the regex, all the combination of unicode in the bracket. Okay, it is, if you see, this bracket will start it from here, and it uh, ended here. So in the bracket I have given everything like space, all this one, all the unicode type of that give the white space character, invisible white space character, everything. And this caret symbol will help you to find it in the leading side, in the beginning. And this dollar things, it will help that string to find in the last trailing. Okay, so basically there are two part, uh, from here to here one part, and then if you see we are using the pipeline here to combining both, and second part is here. So it is simple regex. Just you can go to the document and you can find out. So if now we have to use this type of query in the production, so that nothing will fail, you will not miss any data if you are using this type of query. Okay, so let me run it, and so it will clean everything. See, it is cleaning everything, but I think you are not still convinced. So I will just uh, run this query. Okay, and I will show you what I will just comparing with the trim and lowercase, trim and regex, just comparing this one. Okay, I think I have not selected fully. Let me run. Okay, so this is trim only, this is lowercase trim, and this is regex pattern. So if you see, this lower trim and regex pattern looks similar, but if you can see here, this part is lower trim is not able to do it. If you see this one, because it is clearly visual, but remaining things you can see like it is working fine, but remaining things also not working. Okay, how you can verify this one? You can use the length function and see how many character got reduced after using the lower trim, and how many character got reduced when you use the regex clean. Then you can compare uh, what is the, and then you can find out, you can see, visualize the things. Okay, regex clean is the uh, correct way of doing. So that's why I am just using here length of the email address original, and when we are using the only trim function and that length, and then other part is whenever you are using the regex replace their length. Okay, so this way you will visualize that where was the problem. Okay, let me run it. Okay, again it is not selected everything. So okay, let me just, why it is not working? Just you can do it here and control enter, it will work. Okay, I was entering some other things. So okay, let me just select and then run it. Usually if there is semicolon is there in the top also, it will work. Control enter. Okay, now you can verify this original length. Original length is how much? 20. So if once I use the trim, that length is 20 14, and this clean length also doing the 14. So it means like this one is working, both are working same. So let me just go up and yeah, this is fine. So if there is normal space, if there is normal space, you can see both trim and regex replace both are working same, there is no problem. But when there is tab, so trim is not able to remove that space that is generated by the tab, but clean regex replace able to do it, because if you see there is 17 length and trim also having the 17 length only. It means like it has not done anything, but regex replace has did the thing and it removed the tab as well, from one from here, one from here. Similarly, if you see the new line, okay, so tab new line things is not able to replace by the trim, but clean length did it. So same like leading and trailing space is working fine. Okay, if you see this leading is fourth number is mic, and if you see trim also trimmed it first one and given the length 14, like because one leading space got removed, and cleaned also doing the same things. But here and also here the trailing space also, there was 16 character including the trailing space, and it is also got removed by the trim. And also the regex also doing the same. Okay, and mixed case and space is also, there is no problem, you can use the trim. But the real things happen, real magic or real what do you say, it happening from here. That's what I was missing data in the production, and I was just breaking my head like what it happened, why we are missing the uh, it looks like okay, this is Jan is there, this is Chris is there. What I will do here, it is just I'm using the trim and it is not able to remove that. And with the naked eyes I am not able to find out like where the this space is, because we are not able to see this individual white space. Okay, so that's why I found out this solution. I thought to share with you guys, so I will share you this code as well. This simple, there's no any problem also, this is simple, this one, so you can use it. And hope you have understood the things, and hope you have understood the reason why we have to go with the regex replace, and why don't have to use trim. Okay, for development and real normal learning wise it's fine, you can use the trim. But always in the your company, when you are getting data from API or CRM system, some other system, and you need to clean the things, so use regex replace. So hope you understand the criticality of this video, and thank you very much for watching.